Hello everybody, my name's Wickes and I'm the chaplain at St Mary's Catholic Voluntary Academy in Derby. And this is Holy at Home. Hopefully most of you have remembered that today is the great solemnity, the great feast day of the Ascension. So this is the day when we remember Jesus ascending into heaven to be reunited with his Father. And it might seem a bit strange that we celebrate Jesus leaving us, leaving his friends. But of course, if he didn't leave us, he wouldn't then have been able to send the Holy Spirit down to us. And it's the Holy Spirit who gives us really all those gifts that we need to tell others about Jesus, to spread the faith. So it was essential that Jesus left so that we could have the gift of the Spirit. Now, the day of the Ascension itself is what we call a holy day of obligation. It's one of the very few days outside of Sundays when as Catholics we're obliged to go to Mass. Now, of course, sadly at the moment it's not going to be possible for us to go to Mass in our churches. So I had a little think about what I could do to really mark the Ascension, to celebrate it. And I turned, as we do, to the Bible. And I thought I'd actually look in the Bible at what it says about the Ascension. So I read the accounts at the end of Luke's Gospel, the beginning of the Acts of the Apostles, and in Mark's Gospel as well. And there are some slight differences, there are some slight discrepancies, but when you think about what happened to the disciples, the incredible things that they saw and witnessed during their time with Jesus, it's not really surprising that when they separated, they went off for decades, and when it was all written down, they did have slightly different memories of what happened. I'm sure you've had a situation where you and a friend have seen something and you've remembered it slightly differently. So I don't think that's important that there are slight differences in the accounts. I think what's important about the Ascension and about all of Jesus's ministry is that what the disciples saw, what they witnessed during their time with Jesus, so gave them their faith, their belief, their trust in Jesus, that they dedicated the rest of their lives to being missionary disciples. And most of them were prepared to die for their faith, to die for that belief. Now, the eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed that I'm surrounded by quite a lot of soft toys. And I can't deny, I do love soft toys. This is entirely my own collection. They live with me. We've been isolating at home together. But one of the great ways of telling people the Bible stories is to act them out. At our school at St Mary's, we have a Bible story club. And our Bible story club, we read the account of whatever the story is in the Bible, and then we do a play and we act it out in school, and we take it to the residents of our local Mercy Care Centre as well. And I thought it might be good if the soft toys were up for doing a film, for showing the story of the Ascension. So I had a bit of a word with them and I asked them, and Charlie Bear took a lead in this, as you'd expect. Charlie Bear, I'm just going to introduce Charlie to you. Charlie is our St Mary's Messy Church mascot. So a bit of an expert on all things biblical, comes to all the events, always got your nose in the Bible, haven't you? Yes, he does. So Charlie has taken the lead as producer and director of the film of the Ascension, and I pretty much left them to it, and this is what they came up with. Enjoy.
your ways, open my eyes. Come, let me see your face. Lord, teach me to live, speaking your truth. Come, let me know your grace. I will always trust in you. I will always trust in you. Lord, teach me your ways, open my eyes. Come, let me see your face. Lord, teach me to live, speaking your truth. Come, let me know your grace. I will always trust in you. I will always trust in you. Lord, your kindness and great love have been shown through every age. The sign that you are near, a voice that you will hear, guiding us on, keeping us strong. Oh, Lord, teach me your ways, open my eyes. Come, let me see your face. Lord, teach me to live, speaking your truth. Come, let me know your grace. I will always trust in you. I will always trust in you. Lord, you always hear my cry and are there to carry me. The days when I could fall, the days when I stand tall, guiding us on, keeping us strong. Lord, teach me your ways, open my eyes. Come, let me see your face. Lord, teach me to live, speaking your truth. Come, let me know your grace. I will always trust in you. I will always trust in you. Lord, the times when I am wrong and have fallen from the path, whenever I'm in need, I know that you will lead, guiding us on, keeping us strong.
Run, put it down. Run, put him down. Not Jesus. Didn't they do well? Big round of applause, Soft Toys. Excellent work. One in the eye for Martin Scorsese there, I think. What's that, Charlie Bear? Charlie Bear's got a challenge for you. What is it, Charlie Bear? Ooh, Charlie Bear challenges you to find a Bible story that you enjoy and act it out. He says you can cast anybody or anything in it, so have a look round, see who you can find, what you can find to help you tell that Bible story. You can show it to your family, but if you could film it, that would be even better. And if you film it, send it to us. Send it to Joe Hopkins, our lead lay chaplain, or any of your chaplains. We would love to see your films and get them out there to a wider audience. So thanks for joining us, everybody. Really looking forward to seeing your films. Have a wonderful Ascension Day. Bye.
Lord, teach me your ways, open my eyes, come let me see your face. Lord, teach me to live, speaking your truth.